Hey darlings, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Diniz De Moura. If it's your first time here, please to make yourself feel at home, click that subscribe button below so you do become a part of this squad. Hit that notification bell as well so you do get notified every time I upload a new video. Well, our regular schmegulars, thank you so much for coming back. Welcome home darlings, welcome, welcome, welcome. Okay, as you guys know by the setup of this video, that we're doing another sinking funds and savings video. So this one is the sinking funds for paycheck 6, which is June 2021. I'm so sorry for moving things around, guys. I am still figuring out, how to film this. Hopefully I can get all the equipment I need to properly film these videos for you guys. But yeah, so let's get straight into this video. Okay, before we start with this video, I had about 4 subscribers that asked me, what this is all about, what my savings is all about, and what my sinking funds are all about, and why I do it, how I use it, and I really want to do a video on that for you guys. Hopefully I'll film it in the next couple of weeks, then I'll have it up for you guys either the first week of August or the last week of July. So today we will start off again. As you guys can see that I have already I've written down all the amounts that we're getting. I know it's not that clear. Like I said, I'm working on my setup. So apart from this, the savings and the sinking fund, I also started the $1 challenge. I started the $1 challenge and the $5 challenge, as well as 10 cents and 5 cents, and then we have the 50 cents. So I've started these as well. I'll show you guys where I'll put these in a few minutes. Okay, let's start. So for the month of June, Dennis is getting 110. So I'll give him $100, and then I'll give him 10. Okay. Okay, I'll just put it to the side. I'll be getting 200, so it's 100, 200. Okay. Okay. Charlton is getting $80, so he'll get 150 and 130. Dwight is getting $60. He will get 150 and 110. Daniel is getting $50, so he will get just 150. Now we're going to move over to our sinking funds. So for the next video, I know I haven't done an update, and I really want to do an update, where I change out the bills and put in $1,000 placeholders, like just whichever envelopes have reached $1,000. I really want to do a $1,000 placeholder for it. Okay, so now let's continue with our sinking funds. We're going to start off with anniversary. So anniversary is getting 150. So it's getting, okay, let me take 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So that's 100. And then 50. Guys, our anniversary is on the 2nd of August. So hopefully we can use this. Okay, for emergencies we have 110. So I'll take $10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 50. And then we'll take another 50. Okay, that is 100. And then another 10 is going to make that 110. Okay. So back to school is just getting $60. So we'll give it 2 30s. Okay. Home remodel is getting 250. So I'll give it 2 100s. 150. And that makes it 250. That goes into our home remodel. Okay, family time is just getting 20. So we'll just put in 120. YouTube is getting 80. So it's going to get 150 and 130. We'll put it into the YouTube envelope. Okay, clothing is getting $90 this time around. So we'll do 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's 2 30s, 120 and 110. And we'll put it into clothing. Okay. Then we have giving. Giving is gonna receive $50. So we're gonna take 2 20s and 110. And we're gonna put it into giving. Okay, and then we have left still the 52-week challenge. 110, and then we have 140 plus the 200 is going to be 340. Okay, so the remainder is 340. The 340 will go into the 52-week challenge. Okay, so for the coins, I have this, it's a metal tin. I'm just gonna put in the $1. I'll put in the $1 and the $5 in this. I will have to get another one for the 50 cents, the 10 cents, and the 5 cents. But for this, I'm just gonna add the $5 and the $1. Okay, so that's done. Okay, so I'll keep these 2 bags to fill them up again with 1s and 5s. We'll see how how we do next. Thank you so very much for watching up until the end. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do make yourself feel at home. Click that subscribe button below so you do become a part of this squad, and also hit that notification bell so you do get notified every time I upload a new video. See you in my next one.